Today I'm going to give you some very good leadership advice. I'm going to tell you to brag. Most of us are not very good at letting others know how we can help them. Bragging does this. If you really want to make a difference, there's what you can do for them. This isn't bragging or boasting, it's helpful. And there's a way to toot your own horn that's not bragging at all. Here's 3 easy phrases that will help you do this. 1, I love to. Share what you love to do with people. I can help you. Tell people what challenges you can help them with. And finally, call me when these kind of opportunities or issues arise. Let me give you a couple examples here. If you're very creative, you can say, I love to think outside the box. I can help you brainstorm new ideas and be more creative. Call me when you need an innovative or novel approach. If you're strategic, you can say, I love to think about new ideas. I can help you design a long-term strategy that ensures your success. Call me when you want to get a new idea off the ground. Or, if you're great at handling details, you can say, I love to create order and manage the details. I can help you get better organized. Call me when you want to be more efficient and effective. So tell others how you can help them. It's the fastest way to use your talents more and to also feel appreciated and valued for what you do.